Okay, today I'm going to show you how to fix an orbit sprinkler controller. When I wake up this morning, I see that my orbit controller is not working, but when I check the plug, there's power. So as it turns out, I just need to replace the fuse. And guess what? After replacing the fuse from the one, usually they have one reserve here, an extra one that you can use. And guess what? After replacing the fuse, voila, it's not working. So it is for an orbit. It works with other water sprinkler controller. They all have some fuse hidden here, usually under this cover right here.